Okay, students, I am going to discuss about the aldol condensation. Aldol condensations a name reaction in the aldehyde and ketones. Aldol condensations, you can see here, aldehydes and all means ald means aldehydes, all means all. Means in this reaction, the condensation process, the product form the aldol. That's why it's called aldol condensation. तो एल्डोल कंडेंसेशन में दो मॉलिक्यूल्स लेते हैं, टू मॉलिक्यूल्स एल्डिहाइड्स के होंगे या कीटोन्स के होंगे. इट मे बी एल्डिहाइड्स, इट मे बी कीटोन्स. ये कंबाइंड होते हैं अंडर द इन्फ्लुएंस ऑफ द dilute base and dilute acid. They form the beta hydroxy aldehydes or beta hydroxy ketones, right? Such type of reaction is called aldehyde aldol condensation. Such type of reaction is called aldol condensation, right? The aldehydes are ketone with no alpha hydrogen do not undergo aldol condensation, right? It means the aldol condensation is a necessary condition that the alpha hydrogen should be present, right? Here aldol condensation reaction, you can see here aldol condensation means alpha hydrogen means, suppose that this is the aldehyde groups. So this carbon is the alpha carbons. So alpha carbon is necessary for the alpha hydrogen for the giving the aldol condensation. If no alpha hydrogens, do not undergo the aldol condensation. So you have to see the condition first. So aldol condensation, you have to understood that alpha hydrogen must be present, right? So you can see here this reaction, तो both acetaldehydes, टू acetaldehydes के जो compounds हैं, है ना, acetaldehyde में अल्फा हाइड्रोजन्स होते हैं. अल्फा हाइड्रोजन्स, ये अल्फा हाइड्रोजन्स हैं, ये अल्फा हाइड्रोजन्स एंड दिस वन द alpha hydrogens. There are three alpha hydrogens in acetaldehydes, so it gives the aldol condensation reaction, right? So in the presence of the base hydroxy group, it gives the aldols, right? Aldol means this is the aldehyde group and this is the all. That's why it called aldol, right? This compound, the IUPAC name की बात करें aldol की, तो IUPAC name of the aldol is the 3-hydroxybutyric aldehydes, right? In the presence of the base, it is necessary condition for the giving the aldol formation, right? So here we discuss the mechanism. So aldol condensation mechanisms. Step first, you can see here that first the formation of resonance stabilized carbanions, right? resonance stabilized carbanions का क्या है, formations होता है यहाँ पर. So in this mechanism you can see here this OH base, right? This base abstract the alpha hydrogen of the acetaldehyde. Here alpha hydrogen, there are three alpha hydrogens already discussed. One hydrogen is abstracted by this OH group. This OH group abstract the alpha hydrogens of these acetaldehydes, give the water molecules and form the carbanions, right? This is the carbanions formation by withdrawing the hydrogens, by this OH. This OH abstract the hydrogens and give the carbanions. These carbanions further go to the second step. These carbanions react with the second acetaldehydes. This you can see electron are shifting to here, right? The oxygen here developed, this oxygen developed the partially negative charge and this carbon developed the partially positive charge, right? This negative charge attack to the this particular carbons, right? Then you can see here this compound is the form. After that, in the presence of water molecules, you give the final product, that is the aldehydes. Water molecules can H hydrogen ion attached to this oxygens, right? It became the OH and give the aldol's product. So aldol condensation is a very important reaction for the synthesis of various medicinal compounds and also used in the synthesis of the various organic compounds. In this series we have also included the cross aldol condensation. The cross aldol, what is meaning of crossed aldol condensation? crossed का मतलब क्या होता है यहाँ पर? तो यहाँ पर जो अब लोग देखेंगे कंडेंसेशन जो रिएक्शन होता है, टू डिफरेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स ऑफ एल्डिहाइड आर कीटोन्स, एल्डिहाइड्स और कीटोन्स के बीच होता है, बट ये कंडीशन ये है कि इसमें दो अलग एल्डिहाइड्स होने चाहिए और कीटोन होने चाहिए, राइट? इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द पर्टिकुलर प्रोटिक सॉल्वेंट्स गिव द क्रॉस एल्डोल रिएक्शन. So what is the cross aldol reactions? Cross aldol reactions means two different aldehydes and ketones. Suppose that one is the formaldehyde, the other should be acetaldehydes, right? If one the benzaldehyde, then other one the acetaldehydes. Means two different aldehydes or ketones give the product, aldol product, that is the cross aldol condensation, right? तो क्रॉस एल्डोल रिएक्शन जो है ये वीक बेस के रूप में प्रेजेंट होता है, वीक बेस के प्रेजेंस में रिएक्शन होगा, राइट? इसमें वन जो कार्बोनिल ग्रुप होगा, किसी भी एल्डिहाइड्स का जो कार्बोनिल ग्रुप होगा, अगर अल्फ़ा हाइड्रोजन्स है, राइट, अल्फ़ा हाइड्रोजन्स है, और दूसरे वाले अगर एल्डिहाइड में अल्फ़ा हाइड्रोजन नहीं है, तो ये रिएक्शंस में एक सिंगल कंपाउंड बनते हैं. अगर एक से ज़्यादा अल्फा हाइड्रोजन्स हैं, इसमें दोनों में अल्फा हाइड्रोजन्स हैं, तो एक से ज़्यादा कंपाउंड्स बनेंगे, राइट? सो द रिएक्टेंट विदाउट अल्फा हाइड्रोजन्स कैन नॉट सेल्फ कंडेंस बिकॉज कैन नॉट फॉर्म एन इनोलेट आयंस. मीन्स अल्फा हाइड्रोजन्स नहीं है तो इनोलेट आयंस नहीं बनेगा, राइट? सो इन दिस रिएक्शन, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर डिस्कस हम करें, इन दिस बेंजल्डिहाइड्स एंड propanals, right? Benzaldehyde and propanals, you can see in the benzaldehydes, no alpha hydrogens. This one, this side carbon have no any alpha hydrogens, but in this case this one the alpha hydrogens, right? This one the alpha hydrogens. So base abstract the hydrogen from this alpha hydrogen, right? This base abstract the hydrogens from alpha hydrogen. That's why alpha hydrogen important for the aldol condensation. If no alpha hydrogens, no aldol condensation. क्यों? क्योंकि जो हाइड्रोजन्स है उसी अल्फा हाइड्रोजन्स को abstract करता है, राइट? इस केस में बेंजल्डिहाइड में अल्फा हाइड्रोजन है नहीं तो इसको abstract नहीं करेगा. इसमें अल्फा हाइड्रोजन्स है, so this OH abstract the this particular alpha hydrogens and give the product, right? So cross aldol condensation, you can see here the benzaldehyde, this is the aromatic aldehydes, and this one the aliphatic aldehydes. So two different aldehydes give the reaction, give the aldol product, right? This is the product. In this case aldol product, one steps here that aldol, this hydroxy group, right? This hydroxy group react with the adjacent hydrogen. This adjacent hydrogens, this hydroxy group react with the adjacent hydrogens, remove the water molecules, and here develop the double bond. Such type of alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes का फॉर्मेशन होता है. तो ये फर्दर रिएक्शन होता है इसके अगले स्टेप्स में. सिमिलरली यहाँ पर भी वही अल्फ़ा बीटा अनसैचुरेटेड एल्डिहाइड का फॉर्मेशन होता है। यहाँ से एक मॉलिक्यूल्स वाटर का रिलीज होता है और यहाँ पर डबल बॉन्ड आ जाता है। सिंथेटिक इंपॉर्टेंस क्या है? सिंथेटिक इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ एल्डोल कंडेंसेशन यू कैन सी हियर। एल्डोल कंडेंसेशन का जो सिंथेटिक इंपॉर्टेंस है, here you can synthesize the n-butyl alcohols. You can synthesize n-butyl alcohols. In this reaction there are two molecules of acetaldehydes in the presence of base. It is form the aldol, and further it go to the reduction in the presence of the hydrogen and nickel ions give the butanol. So this aldol condensation are useful for the synthesis of the butyl alcohols. Right. Second methods, preparation of unsaturated ketones. Right, the preparation of unsaturated ketones. So in this you can see this is the formaldehydes, this is the propane 2,1,2-one and ketones, and this is the aldehyde, two different compounds. Cross Canonical reaction in the presence of NaOH, it give the 4-hydroxybutane 2-one. So release the water molecules. Here you can see release the water molecules and give the but3-ene-2-one. This is the methyl vinyl ketone. So type of compound, you know, the methyl vinyl ketones means this is the methyl, this one the vinyl, and this is the ketone. Methyl vinyl ketones give the reaction. Right. So can review again here. Aldol condensation. What is the condition for the aldol condensation? It should be presence of alpha hydrogens. There should be presence of alpha hydrogens. So we have take the example of acetaldehyde, because of that acetaldehyde have the alpha hydrogens. So it give the aldol condensation reaction. मैकेनिज्म्स, बेस के प्रेजेंस में रिएक्शन होता है, तो बेस जो है अल्फा हाइड्रोजन्स जो है उसको अब्स्ट्रेट करता है, वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स बनाता है और एक कार्बन आयंस का फॉर्मेशन जाता है, कार्बन आयंस का फॉर्मेशन होता है. दिस कार्बन आयंस फर्दर गोज टू द रिएक्ट विथ अदर एसिडिहाइड्स, है ना, देन इट कन्वर्ट टू द एल्डोल्स in the presence of the water. So this is the all about the aldol condensation reaction and their synthetic importance. So you can learn this and also discuss about their synthetic importance. Okay.